What's up, you guys? Today I have an H&M haul for you. Now, I am loving this haul because I do not have that many pieces. I was very selective in what I chose, but I'm excited because this is gonna help you transition from summer to fall. There are still those days that are hotter than they should be, and these pieces are gonna work, but they're also gonna work to layer up for when it starts to get a little bit cooler. I've got some blouses, tees, dress, shoes, so let's get into it. Let's kick this off with one of my favorites, and it is this flouncy collared blouse. So it has this really subtle floral pattern in a pretty turquoise and pink, and then true to its name, it's got that flouncy collar, which does go all the way around. So it's a little reminiscent of a Peter Pan collar, but not as extreme. It's just a little bit more subtle and current. It also has these really beautiful sleeves. It is like the details in this shirt. Sleeves with pretty buttons, and then they are a little bit more voluminous. Once again, not going to offend anyone. And then I also love this V-neck. This is such a beautiful detail. You got the bow at the bottom, and then I would prefer and recommend leaving this top one undone and just kind of showing off your neckline. Now this blouse is $19.99, under $20, a great price. I got a size medium, which is my normal size. It does fit a little relaxed, which I like, but if you want it to fit more fitted, then obviously size down one. And then the next piece I have is this ribbed turtleneck. It's $12.99. And if you've been here for a while, you know that I love turtlenecks. I think they are an essential piece for your fall and winter wardrobes, just because they're so good for layering. This also is a bodysuit, which I love because it really cuts down on the bulk when you are layering. If you're adding a sweater or a cardigan, it's really gonna cut down and keep a really nice sleek frame. This is a medium. I would get your true size just because it is more fitted, but I love that it's ribbed. It's just really stretchy and comfy and cozy. It's like a tissue turtleneck where it's just gonna be really great to layer with. As the temperatures drop, I am so excited to layer this turtleneck with the printed blouse. The colors play off each other so well, and it's just a really creative look that is also going to keep you warmer when it gets colder. I am so excited for this knit dress. It goes calf length, it's sleeveless, which is bringing in that sweater trend that we are seeing a lot, but it's just pretty. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little outside my comfort zone, but I'm excited with the versatility of this. So right now, I could wear this as is with the bralette underneath, maybe some heeled sandals, and then when it gets colder, I'm going to layer up with a turtleneck bodysuit, some nicer boots. You could also wear this with jeans, open up all of these buttons, and it'll act like a long cardigan. So it's really versatile. It's $19.99. Now, I got this small, which I am normally a medium. I would size down. This small still fits very relaxed. It is not a tight fit, but once again, if you want a more relaxed fit, then just get your normal size. In the past, I have talked about shoes and staples that every woman needs in their closet, and one that I cannot recommend enough is a nice classic loafer. And you guys, H&M is killing it this year. So they have a genuine leather loafer. This is genuine leather for $69. Now, last season they had a very similar version of this that was faux leather, and I bought, and I have loved them. Love them. They are comfortable, and I wear them all of the time. But this year they have a genuine leather for $69. I love the details. I love that it's a really classic heel height. I love the sheen because it dresses it up, but it is not shiny. And then this horse bit hardware is beautiful. Like, it looks like a Gucci dupe for $70. When it comes to wearing these, the options are like literally endless. So my go-to, being the jeans gal that I am, is just a straight leg pant with a tee or a blouse and put these on. Instantly, it's gonna elevate the outfit. But you could just as easily dress them up with trousers or a dress or wide leg palazzo pants. Okay, so don't overthink them. If you don't have a pair of these, run, run, run. Like, they might even be sold out online. Run to your store and see if they have a pair. This next blouse surprised me a little bit. It was cute. I mean, obviously I pulled it, but it wasn't until I put it on that I fell in love with it. I love the smocking, front and back. I love the ruffle at the bottom and the bit of volume in the sleeves. nothing crazy. But for me, it is all about this beautiful boat neckline. It is just stunning. It's so stunning on. You don't have to do anything to this blouse and it's beautiful. Now, that being said, I will typically do jeans and these loafers and call it great. A very easy 1-2 punch and you're gonna look beautiful. You could also dress it up with trousers and a camel coat, maybe really pretty earrings, okay? But this blouse works on its own. It is like a beautiful piece that you are gonna get comments on. It is also $17.99, very affordable. Get your true size. I got a medium and it's perfect. I like to think that I saved the best for last and it's just easy. It is an oversized tee, like very oversized, but it's like perfect. It works beautifully. It's got the big sleeves that when I wear it, I roll them up twice. And then I just love this graphic. How do you wear something oversized? There's a couple things. First, you can pair it with biker shorts. I got these biker shorts from H&M. I love them. I have them in all 3 colors. You could also wear this super casually with jeans and boots. You could even wear the loafers, which I'm not joking, you can wear with every one of these things I have shared today. And then give your shirt a really good knot in front to cinch it in. Now, if you do the standard knot, that's fine, but it is gonna show your tummy. So I've got a hack for you whenever you wear oversized shirts. So pull the shirt as you would normally with a knot, but instead of just knotting it, loop it through your belt loop and then back through again. It's gonna create this faux knot, but whenever you lift your arms, the shirt's not gonna ride up as well. So I love this. This is like a hack that I use on pretty much every oversized top. All right, you guys, that is my haul. That is it. Like I said, it was short, but very sweet. I am like very excited to be wearing all of these things. I'm excited to mix and match and try new things, and that is how clothing should make you feel. Now, as always, I will link down below everything that I shared with the sizing that I got. So thank you for watching, and you can stick around for my next video.